This is Josh. Josh is a software developer in the communications industry. Josh wants to use computers and tablets and mobile phones to allow people to communicate. Josh has been searching for a communication system to connect with their customers. Everything Josh finds is costly, closed source, and proprietary. Many services are forcibly bundled with overpriced per minute or per message usage fees that raise costs even more. This is Steve. Steve is Josh's boss and works on the business and high-level technical aspects of the company. Steve is very busy, and he is not happy to hear that Josh has been unable to find a communication solution that fits into their business goals. Steve is fed up with paying inflated costs and trying to force his business to conform to the limitations of his existing solution. Then they discovered FreeSWITCH. FreeSWITCH is a communication platform that runs on any modern computer. With FreeSWITCH, Josh is able to install a working system with a few commands or download the source code himself and configure it any way he wants to fit it into the company's existing infrastructure. Not only is Josh able to build the system Steve has been waiting for, he was able to use FreeSWITCH internally to allow his office in California to talk to the office in Texas for free. FreeSWITCH can be used for one-on-one phone calls and multi-party conference calls, even in stereo and full HD video. It can be used as an IVR platform to run custom applications like voicemail, phone trees, or even process incoming faxes. FreeSWITCH can be used with traditional phones or most web browsers via WebRTC. It's not just for phone calls. FreeSWITCH can send and receive text messages too. Steve can have Josh create a company SMS system to make orders or check order status from any mobile phone. FreeSWITCH is designed to stand alone or to be integrated with existing systems. There is an event system to get notifications about nearly everything that happens, and a remote connection interface to trigger calls, connections, or other various logic that Josh can interface from his company infrastructure. Josh can even code his own modules and load them into FreeSWITCH for the most complex of integration challenges. Since FreeSWITCH is open source, Josh can ask questions and learn about new features and development from the enormous online FreeSWITCH open source community. There's a very active group of people all over the world sharing their experiences and discussing new and interesting ways to use FreeSWITCH. Josh may even be able to contribute some of the things he discovers or creates back to the community. When Josh is ready to use FreeSWITCH in production and he needs more support, Steve can purchase the FreeSWITCH Advantage support packages from FreeSWITCH Solutions, the official consulting firm of the FreeSWITCH project. The FreeSWITCH Advantage gives Steve the peace of mind that all of his company's issues would have top priority, and Josh would get the help he needs to keep things moving. With FreeSWITCH, Josh and Steve can focus on their goals, and their company doesn't have to waste money paying for services that fall short. FreeSWITCH is an open source project pushing forward and helping to write the next chapter in communications history. Visit freeswitch.org/VM today and try a demonstration.